Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on opening the camera and taking pictures on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open Launchpad from the dock. In Launchpad, find and open Photobooth. Click the camera icon at the bottom of the window to take a picture. You can use effects or use the photobooth style of photo, as well as take a video. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.